So guys, recently Asus has unveiled a lot of laptops in the market, and they have introduced this new Asus ROG Strix series in Indian market with some pretty amazing specifications and with some very hefty prices too. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir, and in this video I'm going to review this Asus ROG Strix 3. Let's begin. So before starting this video guys, I would like to promote my Instagram, which is the Tech Buffet. The handle is over here, so if you wanna see behind the scene or if you wanna get connected with me, please go ahead and follow me there. With that said, let's begin. But before that guys, let me tell you that I am in my new studio, and this is a somewhat good lighting situation, and this is how I set it up, my current lighting setup, and this is how I am shooting. So let me know how's the current setup of this shooting scenario. If you do like this video, hit that like button and let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you want anything to be get improved. By the way, I know there is a lot of echo right now because this room is not acoustically treated properly yet. I have ordered some of the sound panels which are on the way, so yeah, in some days it will be completely treated, so there will be no echo and the sound will definitely get better as time goes because the furniture is not completely added in this room. So yeah, with that said, let's start the review. So guys, let's start the review with the build and design of this particular laptop. By the way, this is heavy. This is 2.57 kg laptop, so yeah, it's heavy but it packs a lot of punch. So first of all, let me tell you that the top lid is built with some magnesium alloy, I guess, but the brush metal looks pretty fantastic with this ROG logo. This ROG logo has RGB light inside and it looks like a mirror. As you see, it shines like a mirror, and the whole body built really well. Even though the bottom portion is fully plastic, even after that it gives you that confidence of very high-end build quality. The build quality of this particular laptop is fantastic, and it looks pretty good too, especially with this golden color copper pipe. This top design looks pretty good too. And opening this laptop up, we got this carbon fiber type of look, and it looks pretty fantastic. Even though it's a plastic, but the build quality seems pretty fantastic, so no issues in terms of the build quality. Talking about the IO ports, it is well equipped guys. On the back we have a LAN port, a full size HDMI, that's great, and a type C port with display port output, as well as our USB 3.1, so yeah, that's great, and then a barrel connector for charging. And moving to the right side, we have 3 USB 3.1 USB type A ports. That's great in my opinion. 3.5mm headphone mic combo jacks, which is great. On front there is nothing. On left side we have a slot for a key type of thing, which I will explain later. So yeah, and guys, let me tell you that all of this that you're seeing right now, this whole bottom part is wrapped up by LED lights, and it glows and it gives your table a RGB LED look, which looks pretty fantastic as you see in this video right now. Opening it up and moving it inside, guys, let me tell you that this device, this portable machine has 8-core processor. Yeah, you heard me right. It has 8-core processor. So it has i9-9880H, which is a 9th generation Core i9 processor from Intel, and guys, it has 8 cores and 16 threads, which is mind-blowing, just mind-blowing guys. And the base clock of the all cores is 2.3 gigahertz, which is very good because it has 8 cores, and basically it's a base clock, so usually it won't go below that. So yeah, that's great. And for powering that graphic need, we have NVIDIA RTX, not GTX, RTX 2070, the 8GB RAM variant. It has 8GB VRAM, which is also a DDR6 VRAM, which is insane in my opinion, and it's a RTX 2070, so RTX benefit also added here. Basically this variant that Asus has sent me, by the way, thank you so much Asus for showing the love and support with my channel, and thank you for sending this product for the review. By the way, this video is completely unbiased, so whether you sent it or not, I am going to tell the truth to you guys because I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, with that said, it has 32GB of RAM, which is DDR4 RAM, 2666 MHz, 3200 or 3000 MHz would be much better, but 2660 is good enough too. And then we have 1TB NVMe SSD. The speed of that 1TB NVMe SSD is around 1500 Mbps read and write which is insane in my opinion. I mean, it's not as fast as the MacBooks, which is having like crazy 3 gigabytes speed, which is just amazing, but this device also has very good speed, so no issues. For showing all the hardware capability, we have this 15.6 inches 1080p IPS display, and the main thing is it has 240 Hz refresh rate. Are you guys here? Like 240 Hz display on a laptop and 3 milliseconds response time. 1 millisecond would be much better, but the IPS panel 1 millisecond is kind of a weird combination. If you know about the display, then you might know that in IPS panel achieving 1 millisecond response time is very difficult. So 3 milliseconds response time is very good too. Even for competitive gaming, it's good too. But 240 Hz refresh rate is just insane, guys. And to power that up, we have RTX 2070 and that 8-core Mammoth CPU. So the performance of this laptop is just blazing fast. Let me tell you, it is faster than Flash. Yes. Yeah, of course not. Flash is the fastest human being, but this is very fast, guys. Literally, as you see, I am playing Witcher 3 at ultra setting in 1080p, and as you see, I am getting around 100 to 150 fps, which is insane in my opinion. The performance of this laptop is just mind-blowing. So if you are a gamer and if you like to play some high-end games in your laptop, in your portable machine, then you can definitely purchase this machine. But let me tell you that you have to connect it to the power to basically utilize that 240 Hz display. Otherwise, if you disconnect this laptop from the power, the screen will go back to 60 Hz to save the battery. So yeah, please be aware of that. Guys, the thermal performance is good too. I mean, it's not the best that I have seen. The Zephyrus has better thermal performance, but this laptop has good thermal performance too, which is good. I mean, the thermal performance is not the best that I've seen. As compared to Zephyrus are the best in terms of the thermal performance in the gaming laptop series, but this thermal performance of this laptop is good too. And yeah, the fans are pretty loud, but I will talk about in the sound section. So let's move to the keyboard and trackpad, guys. This is the full size keyboard. I mean, the keyboard of this laptop is pretty fantastic. You get pretty good response. It has per key RGB light, tactile feedback, and response of the keys are pretty good. I mean, it's very usable. Nothing out of the ordinary here, but yeah, it's pretty good keyboard for typing for longer session even, and for playing games too. So yeah, no issues. And then we have this glass trackpad, which also converts into a number pad digitally. You know, as you see over here, it looks pretty fantastic, but it's not that usable in my opinion, because when you don't get that clicky response, that mechanical feel while pressing any button, then I don't enjoy just touching the laptop. So yeah, the keyboard is pretty good and the trackpad is pretty good. So it is running on Windows Precision driver, and the trackpad tracking gestures pretty fantastic. No issues I have found with the trackpad. Now guys, this laptop has 2 speakers on the bottom, and my god, they are loud, yeah. Like literally, they are very loud, very clear, and even the bass is pretty good too. So the speakers are pretty fantastic in my opinion. But when you play games, you will definitely hear the sound of the the fans. So fans are very loud and very audible in the games, so please be aware of that. So the speaker quality is pretty fantastic. By the way, it does not have any webcam. Why, Asus? Why? If you remove the webcam, then you should have provided another one, external webcam in the box. Talking about the batteries, it has 66 watt hour battery, and the charger that they have provided, the adapter, which is a massive adapter that they have provided. My god, if I tell you the rating now, you will be shocked. I mean, that charger has an output rating of 280 watt. Yeah, 280 watts. This laptop sucks 280 watts of output, guys. Literally 280 watts. But guys, to power that 8-core processor and RTX 2070, you need a 280 watt of output. So yeah, that's there. But the battery life of this laptop is around 3.5 to 4 hours. Max 4 hours is possible. Other than that, it's not possible. So basically, if you wanna play game, by the way, if you are a gamer, then you will definitely hook it up on the power. So yeah, no issues in terms of battery, because battery life is pretty average in any gaming laptop, because the hardware is very strong. So battery can't handle it. Basically, this is a basic one of the battery in the laptop. So yeah, no. Let me tell you the key situation over here. So they have provided this key, guys, And when you insert this key inside this slot profile, basically you can set a different profile for yourself, and when you insert the whole laptop goes into that profile. From that 1TB SSD you can create a virtual ghost drive, and that ghost drive will be available when you insert this key thing inside this laptop. Otherwise it will be hidden. So yeah, it's kind of a useful thing, but I don't think so that I'm gonna use it in day-to-day usage. So yeah, now let me tell you my overall experience with this laptop, guys. I am using this laptop for more than like 1 week, I guess, and in my limited usage, I have to say I'm quite impressed with this laptop. I mean, it's a very expensive laptop. First of all, this laptop cost around 2.5 lakh rupees. I mean, this laptop cost just $2,400 in USA, which is equivalent to 1,60,000 to 1,70,000 rupees, and in India it cost around 2.5 lakh rupees, which is insane in my opinion. But guys, it offers a very different kind of value for gamers, that they can understand, the true gamers will understand the power that this small thing provides inside this small chassis, which is insane in my opinion. So the gamers will definitely gonna buy this laptop, and if you wanna buy this laptop, guys, I will leave a link in the description box below, so you can go and purchase this laptop if you want. If you have the money, if you are a baller, then you can purchase this laptop. Should I recommend this laptop? It's pretty tough to say that I'm gonna recommend this laptop, because I am not a gamer, first of all, and if I was a gamer now, guys, I should have built a pretty badass PC in this price range. I mean, 2 lakh rupees, I can build a pretty amazing PC with that price. But if you want a portability, then you can go with this laptop. 2.5 lakh rupees, you guys are rich, so you can purchase it. So yeah, that's all, guys. That's my conclusion. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then hit that like button. Please right now hit that like button. It won't make me any money, so please hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are looking to purchase any laptop. By the way, how's the lighting setup? Let me know in the comment section below, and please let me know if you have any opinions how to improve my current situation, my current lighting setup, audio setup, any setup, whatever you want. Let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely take a look on that. So yeah, and guys, if you love my content now, please hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon, and tell your friends to subscribe to this guy, because this guy makes a lot of amazing content on this YouTube channel. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.